So, I have a 51-year-old cousin who passed away this weekend. Young man, 5 children. Well, they're all over 18, but still. 5 children, well loved, well liked, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, you know how we are. We have to take them something, give them some money, or take food, or do both and show up. So I'm driving to Mississippi for the funeral. It's a 10-hour drive. And I am taking 2 pound cakes because that's what I do. I bake. So I'm going to show you the pound cakes again. Even though they're cakes that I made before, you know, you get to look at them again. So one of them is the regular pound cake and the other one is a lemon pound cake. And so this is a little different video than usual because I'm making it during the week because I'll be gone this weekend and I usually bake on the weekend. So, and I had to make the cakes really kind of after work and everything. So anyway, blah, 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 blah. Give it a watch. Get a refresher on pound cakes. And you can see the difference between the regular pound cake and the lemon pound cake. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to my cousin's funeral and I'm making 2 cakes. A plain pound cake today, a lemon pound cake tomorrow. Since I've shown you this before, I probably won't do much talking. I'll just show you how it goes. After you cream the butter and sugar, you add the eggs one at a time, 4 large eggs. I can't believe I forgot to put the guard on. Put in 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'll see you back here. I'm back making the lemon pound cake. And it starts just the same as the plain, not so plain, pound cake. So let's get going. 3 sticks of butter, then the sugar, then the eggs, then the flour and milk, then the flavoring. And I'll be back talking to you then. I'll talk to you when I do the stuff that's different. Okay, here we go. So it's exactly the same until now. I'm gonna add lemon zest. This is the zest of 2 lemons. But as I told you before, I'm a terrible zester. You really only need the zest of 1 lemon. But I don't get all the zest off of the lemons. So I will show you. See, I'm not the best zester. I'm always afraid I'm gonna get some pep in. So I don't zest it enough. The other thing that's different is we're putting more lemon flavoring in. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of lemon. Two teaspoons. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna let this stir up for at least a minute. Put it on a little higher speed. About a minute. Smells lemony. Okay, even it up. Take your knife and do it a little. Clean hands. Even it out. Put it in a cold oven. Turn it to 325. We're gonna have lemon pound cake. See you back here.